another exciting edition of my tutorials. Today we still want to continue from where we stopped. We started looking at the derivatives of the trigonometric ratios and identities. On the previous days we've been able to unravel the mystery of the derivative of sine, which we know that is cos, which we know that is negative sine. Then we have tan, which we know that the derivative is sec squared x. Then we look at the cots, which we know that it is negative cosec x, negative cosec squared x. Yeah. So today I want to look at the derivative of sec, which we also call secant. So sec x. You know that sec x is the same as 1 over cos x. So when we mention sec x, it's not anything. It's just the same as 1 over cos x. So how do we find the derivative? We use a rule which we call the quotient rule. Quotient rule. What does the quotient rule say? Quotient rule says that dy over dx should be equal to v du over dx, meaning that we are holding v and we are differentiating u, minus, we will now hold u and differentiate v. So we have dv over dx, all divided by what? V squared. So we will now let our u be equal to what? The top, which is the numerator, which is 1. Then our v should be equal to what? The denominator, which is cos x. Cos x. I hope you are following. So since we have this, let's now differentiate this. So du, we are differentiating this constant, du over dx. When we differentiate this thing, we don't have anything. It will push us to 0. When we differentiate this, we'll have 0. We don't have anything. So v dv over dx, when we differentiate this, we'll have negative sine x. That's what we have. Here we don't have anything because it's a constant. When we are differentiating constants, the equation blues or it blues. We don't have anything. So from here, let's now do the substitution. Here we have 0 is nothing. So let's now put it into our general formula. So our value for v is cos x. Cos x bracket being multiplied by du dx. What is our du dx? Is 0 minus u. What is our u? U is 1 multiplied by dv. What's our dv? Negative sine x. Negative sine x. All divided by v squared. What is our v squared? Our v squared is cos x all squared. So what do we have? This will blow. Cos x multiplied by 0, it will give us 0. Now we have negative 1 multiplied by negative sine. It will produce what? Sine x all over cos x, cos squared x, because this is cos x multiplied by cos x. It will produce this. Now what do? We can split it up. Sine x over cos x, because this is to multiply by, you can use dots for multiplication. Multiply by 1 over cos x. I hope you are following. When you split this is what you are going to get. Sine x over cos x multiplied by 1 over cos x. Sine x over cos x. What do we have? We have what we call the tan x. This gives us tan x. Then multiply by this 1 over cos x. 1 over cos x, we already know that is the same as sec. It's the same as sec. So we have sec x. So it is telling us that when we multiply the two, tan x multiplied by sec x, we have what? tan x sec x. So it tells us that when we are looking for the derivative of sec x, it is simply tan x sec x. So this is the derivative of this is the derivative of sec x. You will see how easy it is. It is not difficult. What I would want you to do is to just pause the video, just play it slowly. Try to get the concepts, and you will see that what it is easy. It is not anything that you need to run away from. Thank you very much. Till we meet again. Bye bye for now.